How to turn a photo into a sticker on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Now, select a photo of your desire. Once you select the photo, press and hold your finger on the subject you want to create a sticker of. A shimmering white outline animates around the subject, indicating it has been recognized and isolated from the background. A small menu pops up with a few options. Tap on Add Sticker. The cutout of the subject is immediately sent to the iPhone sticker panel, saving it for future use. Now, long press on the newly created sticker and select Add Effect. Here, you can adjust the sticker the way you want. After you are finished adding the effect, tap on Done to save the change. The new sticker is now saved in your collection and can be easily accessed and used in other apps like Messages. Following these steps, you can easily turn a photo into a sticker on an iPhone.